If you're travelling on the Pacific Highway these holidays, you'll notice many major road improvements are now open between Tweed Heads and Newcastle. The New South Wales and Commonwealth governments have committed $2.2 billion to a massive upgrade of the highway to help make your holidays safer, easier and closer. Please look out for these new improvements, and if you're travelling near roadwork sites, be sure to take care. We're building a safer highway. Upgrading the Pacific Highway from Hexham to the Queensland border is the largest single road project undertaken in New South Wales. $2.2 billion is being spent over 10 years rebuilding the highway to save lives and improve travelling conditions. The New South Wales State Government has committed $1.6 billion to this massive project, with the Commonwealth Government contributing $600 million. A major bypass of Raymond Terrace is now open to traffic and was celebrated by the community at an official opening. A large roundabout and a major interchange maintain access to the Port Stephens area. Aircraft motifs highlight the nearby Air Force Base, and protecting the environment was an important consideration. Another Pacific Highway upgrade is open to traffic. Construction is well underway to provide dual carriageways north of the Raymond Terrace bypass. Earthworks are in full swing along the entire project, and construction of a number of bridges over local waterways is in progress. 18 kilometres of additional lanes will greatly improve travelling conditions. The Bulahdelah to Kalongaluk deviation is the largest Pacific Highway project currently under construction. Concrete paving of this 22-kilometre section of dual carriageway is well underway, using state-of-the-art slip-form pavers to ensure a smooth ride. A number of large bridges, innovative arches and fauna underpasses have been incorporated into the project to maintain access for both local residents and wildlife. Key responsibilities include protection of rainforest species, conservation of Aboriginal culture and preservation of our natural history. On completion, this project will eliminate a number of notorious accident black spots and improve road safety and travelling conditions. Just south of Nabiac, dual carriageways have greatly improved road conditions for both local and highway motorists. The project includes a fauna underpass and wildlife fencing. 5 kilometres of divided road and better overtaking opportunities are important safety features. The opening of the Taree bypass has been appreciated by many a North Coast traveller. The local community celebrated the historic occasion with a gala fun day. Major safety improvements include removal of heavy vehicles from the busy commercial centre, safe access to the Taree district, and the elimination of a notorious accident black spot at the Oxley Bend. Construction of the southbound bridges over the Manning River is well underway. Just south of Port Macquarie, motorists are now benefiting from 18 kilometres of continuous dual carriageway, incorporating 2 major rest areas and improved local access. Members of the local community joined officials in celebrating the completion of this project. More dual carriageways means greater safety, more overtaking opportunities and less driver frustration. Another section of dual carriageway is open to traffic at Uangai, north of Kempsey. Upgrading the existing highway for northbound traffic and completion of a new southbound carriageway has resulted in improved travelling conditions. Widening of the highway required construction of duplicate bridges over Uingai and Algomera creeks and native plant regeneration. Elimination of a major accident black spot south of Coffs Harbour was celebrated by the local community. Hundreds entered into the spirit of the occasion for the official proceedings and a variety of activities and demonstrations. This major deviation has improved highway travelling conditions and access to the Bellingen Valley. Features include twin bridges over the Bellinger River and the Waterfall Way overbridge. South of Coffs Harbour, dual carriageways are being built to improve safety and travelling conditions. Undertaking earthworks in a semi-urban environment presents many challenges. Several new bridges at Sawtell will improve traffic flows. Important environmental initiatives include preservation of wetlands and wildlife habitats. In the heart of Coffs Harbour, major changes are taking place near the Park Beach Plaza. Construction is well underway on drainage works and reinforced soil and retaining walls on the western side of the highway. Concrete paving of the new northbound carriageway will allow construction of the major interchange at Arthur Street. A major feature of the project is the spectacular new rail bridge across the widened highway. A comprehensive shopfront display is a key strategy for keeping the community informed throughout the project. At Karora Hill, motorists are now enjoying the benefits of continuous dual carriageways on the northern side of Coffs Harbour. A number of environmental and road safety innovations cater for the many needs of the local community and visitors to the area. New bus interchanges and a better pedestrian overbridge means school students and local residents now have safer access to public transport. Just north of Grafton, upgrading a highway at Tynedale will eliminate a difficult bend and a limited speed zone. Safety improvements include removal of through traffic from Tynedale, minor realignment of the highway, and an additional overtaking opportunity at Byron's Lane. A low-maintenance asphalt pavement was chosen for a highway realignment south of Woodburn. A number of dangerous crests and bends have now been removed near Gap Road. Opening of the project to traffic was a welcome milestone for the local community and included a new southbound overtaking lane. Major benefits are improved sight distance and safer travelling conditions. The spectacular Bangalore bypass now provides safer travelling conditions with the opening of the second carriageway. Bangalore palms and other native rainforest species have been used to merge the bypass with the picturesque rainforest, which is typical of the far north coast. At Ewingsdale, work is underway on a major interchange and realignment of the highway at the Byron Bay turnoff. This project was fast-tracked and when completed will provide better access to this well-known tourist spot. Motorists using the old highway between Newcastle and Niagara have seen many improvements in progress. A number of bridges have been built, and the opening of new dual carriageways has brought more overtaking opportunities and better travelling conditions to motorists now using this section. Many local residents attended the official ceremony to mark the opening of the new bypass. Removing heavy traffic from the town centre has improved road safety and made Brunswick Heads a more peaceful holiday destination. Travelling on the new bypass is more convenient and access from the highway is well signposted. A number of environmental and social innovations have been introduced into the design of the Chindera bypass. This new gateway to the Tweed district is now enjoyed by all road users. Key features include specially designed mangrove light sculptures, Aboriginal heritage artwork and landscaped terraced embankments. Extensive rainforest and wetland plantings were also undertaken with help from the local community. A section of the old bridge has been retained for recreational use, while the new bridge will serve the community well into the next century. The first 3 years of the Pacific Highway upgrading program have seen 12 major projects and 7 overtaking lanes open to traffic. 54 kilometres of dual carriageways are completed and almost 30 minutes saved in travel time. 10 major projects and 2 overtaking lanes are underway, and 6 of these will be open to traffic by the end of this year. 16 major projects are also in the planning stage, of which 7 will begin construction by the year 2000. Together, we can build a better future.